National Weather Service in Milwaukee Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Ozaukee County in southeastern Wisconsin, northeastern Washington County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 11 a.m. At 10:12 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Newburgh, or near West Bend, moving east at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include West Bend, Port Washington, Soakville, Kewaskum, Belgium, Fredonia, Newburgh, Harrington Beach, St. Park, Boltonville, Wildeka, and Fillmore. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.